my name is Chef Autumn. Today we're making inside out apples. First things, cut 2 apples in half with a knife with your mommy. Slice, slice, slice. Woo! Now take the middle part out the apple. Stupid. Almost got it. Whoa! Now add the butter. So just put a little piece of butter everywhere. Add your cinnamon. The cinnamon is so yummy to put in your oatmeal also. Even your apples. Yum, yum. Open, open, swirl. Do, 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 do. And then spread it around all the apples like Mommy did right there. Add 1 spoon of brown sugar in your each apples. Bake these for 30 minutes. Ooh, this is gonna be yummy. I didn't know it before. Mix your cinnamon and brown sugar inside your bag. Okay, this could be kind of tricky to not make a mess. It's looking beautiful. Cut up your other apple and put it in the bag. It feels like super yummy. Mix it well. Make sure all the mix is on the apple. Add some butter in the pot. I like doing this so much. I just want to make sure it melts. Now put the apples inside. Add the apples inside the apple. Out. Just add a little bit so you can get the other ones inside. Mmm. Add your favorite toppings. I'm adding caramel on mine. Enjoy your inside out apple. I'm a little messy.